Hello, everyone. And first of all, thank you for having me here. I'm Emima, and these are the names of my fellow teammates here. We've been working together as a team for a month now, working on this particular project. In this project, we are addressing the challenges faced by many African artisans who specialize in traditional art. These artists whose work is vital to preserving Africa's rich cultural heritage often struggles with unsustainable incomes and lack of proper platform to showcase and sell their creations. As our user persona here, who's called Amina, she's 25 years old. She's a digital artist who's interested in showcasing African art and culture in cartoons she creates. She can earn income ranging between 300K to 3 to 700K rand and francs per project. The challenge she's facing is not lack of artistic ability, but rather a lack of exposure to a wide enough audience to showcase and sell her artwork effectively. As we can see here on this bar chart, shows how only about 25% of Brandon artisans earn a sustainable income from their crafts, and others rely on secondary jobs, which limit the time they can dedicate to creating their art. And this bar chart here also shows that 60% of young Rwandans are not interested in learning traditional crafts, and this shows that without engagement from the younger generations, unique crafts risk disappearing in the coming decades. And thirdly, heritage organizations and NGOs face difficulties in preserving traditional crafts, and through lack of funding, outreach, and resources for marketing, decreases awareness of traditional artisans and limits their opportunities to earn sustainable income. So after realizing that that we've come up with the solution, which is to develop an app and website that showcases and sells the art of traditional artisans. The implementation of a new digital platform would address several critical issues at once. First, by providing them with platform to reach buyers, and secondly, increasing artisans' income and support sustainable livelihood. And thirdly, it would help in preserving culture, knowledge, and heritage. And fourthly, by engaging younger generations in Rwandan culture arts and African culture arts through digital exposure. And here we have 4 pages of our wireframes for the platform, where we have the page of artisan profile and shop, which displays artisans' work, bio, and prices. And secondly, we have online marketplace, which allows buyers to browse, filter, and purchase traditional crafts. And thirdly, we have learning or workshop page, features tutorials, videos, and culture insights for young artists. And we have the user needs and pain points. First is that users found navigation confusing between artisan shops. Secondly, users wanted clear information on prices, shopping, and artisan backgrounds. And the insights from this is that these pain points showed the importance of clear UI, product details, and storytelling about each artisan. And from our user feedback, we've been recommended to simplify navigation with a main menu and search functionality. And secondly, we should include detailed product pages with pricing, shipping, and artisan stories. And thirdly, that we could add onboarding or tutorial videos for first time users. And fourthly, that we could highlight featured artisans and trending crafts to encourage engagement. And these are the next steps we could take, such as expanding platform to include more artisans nationwide and globally. And secondly, introduce virtual workshops, AR or VR experiences, and interactive craft tutorials. And thirdly, we could launch marketing campaigns to attract new users. And fourthly, we could partner with cultural organizations and NGOs to support artisans training and to be more visible. And returning to our lesson or our why, the traditional Brandon art and African arts are at risk of disappearing, and our solution will address and will solve this problem by preserving cultural heritage by connecting artisans to a wider audience. And secondly, it will provide sustainable income for young and established artisans. And thirdly, it will engage the next generation in learning and creating traditional arts. And thank you.